Tara Tescher in our studio today. Hi, lovely. She is the CEO and founder of this amazing brand called Temp-tations, and we have loved Temp-tations for 21 years. Earlier today, I saw 3,000 of these make their way out the door. It's back, the Supersize store and more. Before we go through, can you tell her what's the hubbub?
Sure. Well, it's the largest that we've ever made. We call it a store and more because, of course, I designed it so that it would hold all of your utensils. Get rid of that drawer that we have that we jam closed and we can't get it open because we have all those like tongs and things in there. Now you can display it out on your countertop, but it's so much more. It's still our great stoneware. So this piece, at 4-quart capacity, goes in the oven up to 500 degrees, the dishwasher, the fridge, the freezer, the microwave. Yes, it becomes a vase. Yes, it becomes a soup crock. Yes, you can put your champagne in there and so much more.
Oh, I mean, in its lifespan, 109,000 have sold here at QVC.
That is
beyond. That's not even including the 3,000 that were picked up earlier today. So let's get into it because it's $21.86 today.
This is the most affordable we've ever seen it, by the by.
And it's stoneware on free shipping. Ooh, juicy. The free shipping's gone at the end of the day, and it is the first day this month presented at the lower sale price.
Crazy.
Do you want to start with the seasonals?
So we'll start with seasonal. So this is our romance. That's going to have your reds and your pinks. Really beautiful.
1,200 left.
Here's your patriotic.
700 left.
I love, because of honor of free ship, we brought some of the holidays back.
Cute.
We have Buffetti.
600.
We have holiday.
Always a popular choice,
Always.
no matter the time of year that we show it. There are 400 left. I love the look on his face.
Can you see the bunny?
Can y'all see the bunny? Wait, I'll turn so you can see.
Look it. What do you think he's thinking?
Clueless. Not a thing. This is Egg Hunt. Oh, Egg Hunt is gone. Wow. Okay. Well, you got it.
I'll hop to
You're
it.
an angel.
See what I did? See what I did there?
Here's the palm. There are 4 dozen remaining there.
Love the palm. So that's a bright white carved detail.
Little matte handles, too, which I love.
Yes.
Let's stay here and talk about the old world.
All right, so the OG. We were joking, Pat and I, this morning. So this is what started it all. This is our confetti, and underneath there is our blue.
Okay.
Here we have our gray, and what started it all, our green.
Gorgeous.
Here's our black and our red. The yellow we brought back in honor of our 20th anniversary last year, and we're sticking with it. And then there's your taupe.
Okay, follow the dancing hand over here to the woodland at the top.
Isn't that gorgeous?
I can't believe we even have any here
we
today.
lost white this morning.
Got it.
Okay.
Got it.
But we just got them back. So we have the buttercream, we have the gray, the taupe, and we have the slate blue.
1,800 left in the slate blue. This is the woodland collection. Do not wait.
Carved detail, glass glaze on top.
Directly underneath is the always popular floral lace.
Right, floral lace. So there, of course, we have our classic blue. That's an inky cobalt blue, and then a real true red.
Gorgeous. Beautiful year round.
Always. Then we have the yellow and the black. The black, I always say, looks toile to me. I love that look. Then the cranberry, a little softer, more muted. We don't always carry the cranberry. Then we have the gray. And last but not least, we have the taupe.
Taupe is the most limited.
Lace.
While we're here, I just want to
please.
quickly show inside on the floral lace. You even have a little hand painting detail around the rim on the interior.
On all of the pieces.
Ooh, we just lost palm. Gone.
Ooh, the palm.
I know. 4,000 have now been picked up today. It's $21.86 in total. That's a sale price, but the free shipping is gone at the end of the day because it's free ship day here at QVC. So this is the time.
Say free?
Mother's Day is May 14th. April 9th is Easter. Let's go, and we are slam jam.
I have
on the
to say,
phones.
this is always a super popular item because when I think about the brand, right? Prepping, cooking, serving, storing all in one dish. This is the epitome of that, but you can also do so many other things, right? So 4 quarts of chili. And we did a little bread bowl in one of our other pieces and kind of top that right on top. So you can start to see the fact that this is, you can tuck this under the broiler. So this will stay nice and hot. But then also think about, we need a vase. Okay, well, what do? Now you can fill, we did the buttercream. Look how beautiful this is. Now when you need it, you have it. It's ready to roll. Thank you for topping that, my friend.
I don't want to leave you stranded.
No cheese left behind. Ever. I love that about you. I also love the idea.
5,000 now ordered.
I also love the idea of doing this as an Easter basket, right? So really cute to fill it up with something, or a housewarming gift, maybe tuck a bottle of wine or champagne in here. It becomes your ice bucket, right? And so I love being able to put ice in here. Temptations keeps colder things colder longer, so that champagne will stay nice and cold.
Okay,
what
so
were you gonna do?
Choices.
I got the note too.
I know.
Here I am.
Hey, we're live. We got to move. Over 5,000 today. 2,000 have been picked up in the show. We are okay. We are very busy. We are very, very busy on our traditional
really
phone lines.
special.
If you want to secure your favorite pattern, your #1 choice, go to QVC.com, use your mobile app to place your order. Because seasonals are always popular no matter what time of year we show them.
That's correct. And we don't always carry them all year round, right? So in
yeah.
honor of this, I love that we really do have a nice assortment.
There's only 1,000 left in romance.
Okay.
Wow.
Romance.
Oh, patriotic.
Patriot love.
$5.50.
How fun barbecue. Think about that outside.
Ooh.
Buffetti. Boo.
$5.50. Ooh. $5.50 left. And then
holiday.
We have our holiday. $375 left. Wow. Okay, down to the old world.
Our classics. So as Mary was mentioning, hand painting there on the inside, all individually hand painted. So there's your confetti.
Most popular.
And underneath is your blue. Here's that gray. Love this for a housewarming gift because it's super neutral. There's your green. That's what started it all. Then, of course, we have your black and your red. And then down there we have your yellow. And then below your yellow is going to be your other neutral, and that's going to be your taupe.
Beautiful. I kind of like them stacked,
right?
too. Maybe I need more than one.
Isn't that neat?
Okay,
and
woodland up top. Buttercream. Don't wait on any of the woodland pattern. It is always one that flies. Here's buttercream. If you want gray, 3,200 remain.
And this has that carved detail, Mary, glass glaze, which brings all that sculptural detail to the front.
That's why I keep doing that. You're right. 2,100 left. Here's the slate blue. Only 1,600 remain. We're going to jump on down to the floral lace. This floral lace blue is the most popular, which is saying something for an item that's flying out the door.
Do you know what we learned? That most new to the brand who love to try Temp-tations collect the blue floral lace.
Oh, welcome.
So welcome, fam.
I love that.
Thank you.
And then the red underneath is a great year-round.
And that's a foodie red, right? That's that takes you from everyday to holiday.
Oh, from new shoppers to classics.
See?
I love
Look
it.
at you.
Then we have the yellow. That's another classic from the vault. Then we have the black.
Yep.
Then we have cranberry. Next up is gray. And then finally we have it for you in the taupe. Now, here's the deal. This free shipping is gone at the end of the day. This, you said 4 quarts?
4 quarts.
4 quarts, and it's $21.86. 7,000 have been sold today. 4,000 have been picked up in this show. So think about it this way. This could be mom's Easter basket.
Yes.
This could be dad's Easter basket.
It could be your Easter basket.
And then you could swing around and use it as a punch bowl.
This is what I love.
Whenever you need one.
This is what we love. By the way, these mugs are coming up. Stay tuned. Brand new today.
Look at
Not
the
that I'm excited or
Believe.
anything. Mary's collabed on a special color for Believe. Stay tuned. But I love the fact that it's hot or cold, and I love the fact that you could put a house plant inside here. Right now it becomes like a potted plant, or it's something for your hot or cold drinks. Or I love the idea, look what we did, we put a little fried chicken in there. That could be the patriotic summertime, bring it right out to the table. So many different uses. Your champagne bucket, your Easter basket, soups and stews, and the shape of it. And by the way, 27 tools that you no longer have to jam in that drawer. That, speaking from experience,
is amazing intel. Here's the deal. This is a beloved item that we have in stock now. You still have choices, but it's still dishwasher safe.
Yes.
So I love the fact that
Oven
when you
safe,
need to.
Microwave, fridge, freezer.
Will you please come back and hang out with us again?
I'm going to come back 2 more times with those mugs and a floor mat.
So happy. We have something new from Temp-tations, and we have La Crusade in the show.